Hello food lovers, today I have for you carrot soup recipe. Now this is really easy to make, and the best part is you can make a big batch of this and freeze a portion of it for later. It freezes really well. So let's get started. For this recipe you will need 2 large or 3 medium carrots, a medium potato, a small onion or half of a medium onion, 2 medium tomatoes, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and a 1/4 inch of ginger. Now watch out for the ginger. If you add too much of it, the soup will turn bitter. Peel the carrots, potatoes, and roughly chop the vegetables. And then add 5 cups of water to it. Add salt to taste. For your reference, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now if you don't like your food spicy, skip the cayenne pepper. Mix it and turn the heat to high and bring it to a rigorous boil. So the water has started to boil. At this point, reduce the heat to low and cover it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. It's been 20 minutes and it looks nicely cooked. Check it with a knife. It should be soft enough for the knife to go through. Now let it completely cool down before we blend it. Once it has cooled, blend it into a smooth puree. If your blender can handle warm liquid, you don't really have to wait. And then pour it back into the pot. Turn on the heat to high and bring it to a boil. Check for seasoning. I think it needs a bit of salt, so I'll go ahead and add some. For your reference, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. If you notice it started to boil good, turn off the heat. And then add half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a good drizzle of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Please do not skip this step, it adds a lot of flavor to the soup. Mix it well. Now if the soup gets too thick, thin it out with some boiling water. Please do not add cold water to it. All done and ready to eat. Finish with a squeeze of some fresh lemon juice, some black pepper to bring out the flavors. Enjoy it with your favorite salad or sandwich or any side of your choice. For the list of ingredients and their exact measurements, please see the description box below. If you like this recipe, please share it with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.